Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about two words, raise and rise. They both mean the same thing, go up, but we use them differently. Let's look at some examples and see the difference. Raise, to go up. In present, raise. In the past, raised. The S is between two vowels, so we pronounce it with a Z sound like zebra. Raise. In the past, raised. And the participle, raised. Example. I raise my hand when I have a question. With raise, we need a subject, a person doing it, and we need an object, hand. I raise my hand when I have a question. Do you raise your hand when you have a question? Let's practice. Do you raise your hand when you have a question?
Yes, I raise my hand when I have a question.
Do you raise your hand when you have a question? Very good. Example, raised. We need a subject, we have a verb, and we need an object. The government raised taxes. Did the government raise taxes again?
Yes, the government raised taxes again.
Did the government raise taxes again? Very good. Also, we use raise to talk about take care of animals when you sell them. The farmer raises animals. The farmer raises sheep. The farmer raises pigs and cows. Does the farmer raise animals?
Yes, the farmer raises animals.
Does the farmer raise pigs?
Yes, the farmer raises pigs.
Does the farmer raise animals? Does the farmer raise pigs? Very good. We also use raise to talk about children. When you take care of your children, they are raising two children. You have subject, verb, and object with raise. They are raising their children. They are raising two children. How many kids are they raising?
They're raising 2 kids.
How many kids are they raising? Very good. We also use raise when we talk louder. When you speak louder, you raise your voice. He raised his voice. Again, you have subject, verb, and object when using raise. He raised his voice. Did he raise his voice?
Yes, he raised his voice.
Why did he raise his voice?
He raised his voice so everybody could hear him.
Did he raise his voice? Why did he raise his voice? Very good. Now let's look at the action, the verb rise. Rise in present, in the past, rose. And the participle, risen. All words have S between two vowels. Pronunciation with a Z, zebra sound. Rise, in the past, rose. And the participle, risen. Pronunciation, risen. To go up. When we use rise, or in the past rose, we have only the subject. The price of gas rose. The price of gas went up. There's no object. You finish with the action. The price of gas rose again. Did the price of gas rise again?
Yes, the price of gas rose again.
Did the price of gas rise again? Very good. Example, the sun goes up. The sun rises every morning. Subject, the sun, verb, rises. There's no object. The sun rises every morning. The sun rises at 7 a.m. What time does the sun rise?
The sun rises at 7 o'clock.
What time does the sun rise? Very good. Example, when you put bread in the oven, the bread rises. You have subject, but no object. Use rise. The bread rises in the oven. Are you making bread?
Yes, I'm making bread.
Is the bread rising in the oven?
Yes, the bread is rising in the oven.
Is she making bread? Is the bread rising in the oven? Very good. Let's look at the difference. When we use raise, we have a subject, a verb, and an object. I raised my hand. And when we use rise, we have a subject and only a verb. There is no object. The sun rises. So we see the difference with the example. The company. The company raised the price, or the company raised their prices. You have subject, the company. You have the verb raised in the past, raised, and the object, their prices. The company raised their prices. We can express the same idea with rise. If we put the price first, their prices rose. Their prices is the subject. You have the verb rose. There's no object. So you can say, their prices rose again. Or, the company raised their prices. Same idea.
Thank you for watching.
We hope this video was clear and helpful. And if you have any other doubts about English, leave us a comment and we'll make a video for you. Thanks for watching.